What if I told you that the key to breaking free from digital overwhelm is hiding right in your device settings? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the secret weapons that Google and Apple have quietly built into your phones. These powerful tools can help you slash your screen time without feeling deprived, boost your productivity by eliminating distractions, and even improve your sleep quality. But here's the real kicker. Stay to the end, and I'll show you one mind-blowing feature that most people don't even know exists. It's so effective that it might just change the way you use your phone forever. Let's dive in and explore how to use them effectively. First, let's look at Google's Digital Wellbeing dashboard. To access it, open your device's Settings app, tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and here, you'll see a circular graph showing your app usage. The dashboard provides insights into how much time you spend on each app, how many times you've unlocked your device, and the number of notifications you've received. One of the most useful features is app timers. Here's how to set them up. In the Digital Wellbeing menu, tap on Dashboard, select the hourglass icon next to the app you want to limit, and choose a duration for your daily limit. Once you reach your limit, the app will turn gray and you'll receive a notification. To minimize distractions during work or study, try Focus Mode. In the Digital Wellbeing menu, tap on Focus Mode. Select the apps you want to pause during focus time, then tap Turn on Now or set a schedule. For better sleep habits, use Bedtime mode. In Digital Wellbeing, tap on Bedtime mode. Set your bedtime schedule, and enable options like Grayscale and Do Not Disturb. For Apple users, here's how to access Screentime. Go to Settings, tap on Screentime, turn on Screentime if it's not already enabled. To set limits on specific apps, start by opening Screentime, then tap App Limits. Next, select Add Limit. Choose a category or specific apps, and finally set your daily time limit. It's really that simple. Downtime helps you disconnect during certain hours. In Screentime, tap Downtime. Set your schedule. Only allowed apps and phone calls will be available during this time. To manage who can contact you in Screentime, tap Communication Limits. Set limits for during Screentime and downtime. Use Do Not Disturb mode to silence notifications during important tasks or meetings. Customize your notification settings to reduce distractions. Set up focus or downtime schedules to align with your daily routine. Regularly review your usage data to identify areas for improvement. The real kicker or mind-blowing feature that most people don't know about in Google's Digital Wellbeing and Apple's Screentime is likely the new Screentime Reminders feature that Google has recently rolled out. This feature provides gentle, real-time nudges when you've been using an app for an extended period. This feature stands out because it takes a more nuanced approach to digital well-being. Instead of hard limits or blanket restrictions, it gently encourages mindfulness about app usage in real time, potentially making it more effective for users who want to be more aware of their digital habits without feeling restricted. Remember, these tools are here to help you find a balance that works for you. Experiment with different settings and see what makes the biggest positive impact on your digital habits. Stay mindful, stay balanced, like, subscribe, and comment.